Yeah, baby, here we go again. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to easily install your new speakers from your factory one to an aftermarket one. Today, I'm doing it on my 2013 Subaru Forester. Let's go! Alright, so right here you got two plastic pieces that you need to either pry open with a screwdriver or some kind of prying tool so you can get to the screws behind them. Then you take off the one screw in the door panel so you can pry that little plastic piece out so you can get to the other two screws on the inside of that. And these wires, they're actually super easy to unclip, so don't worry about that. Take out the one screw in the door handle right there, and then you also have the two other screws down below that we just popped off from the plastic piece right here. There's a total of 4 screws that you got to take out. Be careful popping off that plastic piece for your tweeter right here. I kind of broke mine. As you see, it kind of just popped off real easy. It don't come off that easy. Then you got the light down at the bottom. Be careful about this thing. That is hot. Woo-wee! And then that clip just comes off real easy. Nice little snip. Now that you have everything unhooked, it's time to unclip this door panel. All it does is pop right off. This part, you got 3 screws and the speaker comes right out. Alright, so to hook this bad boy up and wire it up, you got your red wire for positive, your black wire for negative. Then also, if you look, the 2 prongs on here, this one's a little bit smaller than that one. Very easy to hook up with the new wiring kit that hooks straight up to your factory wiring. Come here to the red. There it is. Okay, that's in there. Good to go. There you go. You don't want to bend your stuff. Boom. Hook that up. Bam, there she is, hooked on up inside. And this one, you have to buy an additional speaker mount bracket, as the factory one came already installed with the speaker. Or you can do what I did right here and use the washers. This part right here is just a shot of me doing a real-time view of how to put the door panel back together after you got the speaker fully installed.